Speaking of dynasty, sir, your family has also come under fresh, very expected attack. I'm sure your party also expected it, and your family did when Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin has also been announced as one of the candidates for this upcoming election. Has the fact that the DMK has come under attack for dynasty, with some sections saying, so the DMK is also proven to fall for dynastic politics.
A pot calling the kettle black. So 2 generations of Amit Shah in BCCI is okay. Amit Shah was there, now son is Jay Shah is there. 3 generations of Raje family coming and ruling in Rajasthan, that is okay? Yes, that is okay. How many people in Karnataka? How many? I think more than 19 people.
So you're saying dynasty is a reality in politics?
So what I'm saying is, they should look at the back. I can go on and on and on. What is in the BJP MPs? So what is the Minister of State for Finance? Who is he? His father was the Chief Minister of Himachal. It's there, very, very evident there. What about Menaka Gandhi and her son Varun Gandhi? They belong to BJP. Aren't they both sitting in the same house in the Lok Sabha? See, right now, when you do not have the proper, this is not you means, I'm saying the opposition, BJP, you should come and talk about the policies. The election manifesto, which is announced by my leader, come and find fault in it. You don't want to do that. So you want to try to find some other thing, because you know that it's a winning election manifesto, and DMK is the right track. So how do I defame it? People are bored. Even we are bored. All I'm saying is, right now, people of Tamil Nadu need a change. And one thing is, yes, DMK, under the leadership of MK Stalin, is going to make the change, and it will honor the commitment. And people know, and the manifestos announced by DMK, we have delivered it last time. In 2006, we said something and we delivered it. And this time also, when we say we'll reduce the price of petrol by 5 rupees, Mr. Stalin will reduce. When you say we'll reduce the price of diesel by 4 rupees, Mr. MK Stalin will reduce as a chief minister. When you say 100 rupees will be given to the families for concession for LPG, Mr. MK Stalin will do that. And Mr. MK Stalin said, I'm going to give 4,000 rupees for every family who have been affected by the corona. 4,000 rupees will go to every family in Tamil Nadu, because Mr. Stalin has promised it. Mr. Stalin has promised prosperity. Mr. Stalin has promised an industrial revolution in Tamil Nadu, and show that again, once again, Tamil Nadu will stand tall under the able leadership of Mr. M.K. Stalin.
Mr. S. Gurumurthy, who was here yesterday, Mr. Maran, he's been attacked by both the AIADMK and the DMK, and he said some very interesting things yesterday. And he said that for M.K. Stalin and the Karunanidhi family, this is a fight for survival. And if the DMK alliance does not win this election, that family's political presence is going to come under great threat, and its control of the party is going to come under threat. How would you respond to that?
See, it's easy for people to pass irresponsible statements. You should come into the main line, survive. Probably he's frustrated that all his plans to bring in Rajinikanth or bring in others fell flat on the foot. You should, and you did ask him that, you did, but what I'm saying is, they want to cover up that. They feel that sitting in an AC room, they can come up with theories, and these Chanakyas, they are so smart, because God has given them extraordinary brain power, they can do damage. People of Tamil Nadu will teach such people a good lesson.